Look at our weather right now, and we've got a heat up on the way.
We do. This week is going to feel more like the end of August or a summer week as we head into it. We're in for a lot of sunshine this week and temperatures climbing back into the 80s. Very much unlike last week. When we saw a lot of rain here in Portland. So it's a beautiful start now. Take a look at Mount Hood and that sunrise. It's glowing outside. So enjoy a nice morning here. We're going to stay calm and fairly cool outside. There are many spots here in the mid 40s to mid 50s now. So light jacket out the door, especially if you're out in Hillsborough, some of those colder pockets on the west sides of Portland and in Portland and up towards the airport, mid 50s. So a little bit more mild as we start this morning. So light jackets, we are seeing dry conditions and clear conditions. It is just a gorgeous start to this Monday. So we are seeing that ridge of high pressure continuing to strengthen and build up and over the west coast here. So we're in for a lot of clear skies as we move forward. We'll likely stay dry too for the next 7 days. This ridge of high pressure will be very strong and will just settle and persist as we head into this week. So no rain in the forecast for a good while. Instead, we'll see some heat building. So today, likely the low 80s, which is very much above normal. We should be seeing highs around the low 70s at this point in September, but we're going to bump up the heat and see temperatures climbing into the upper 80s on Tuesday and Wednesday. In the oranges, that is the record for those days. I don't see any record breakers, but we'll be flirting with it as we bump towards the upper 80s here Tuesday and Wednesday. Those should be the warmest days here of the week as we move forward. Right now, winds are calm. It's just a lovely start to this morning. Great to step outside for a walk with the pups. It is just a nice morning here. We will see some winds ramping up, especially out towards the west end of the gorge here. So the east sides of Portland likely breezy, maybe some gusts around 25 miles per hour as we head into today. So here's our day planner. We'll see a calm and cool start. A lot of sunshine as that sun continues to rise here officially at 7:06 this morning. We'll see some winds kicking up right around lunchtime and beyond. It should be a breezy afternoon with gusts around 25 miles per hour here in Portland and the north parts of the valley. So there's that ridge of high pressure. Here's our upper level pressure pattern here. You can see that ridge really setting up that storm track well to the north of us, so we stay clear here. The thing is, as we head towards the middle of the week, we will start to introduce some wildfire smoke back into our region. So our wildfire season is not over yet. There are still a number of large wildfires burning here in Oregon and also down in California. So as we stay dry and heat up, our winds will shift and likely bring some of that smoke into our region as we head towards the afternoon. So here is our smoke forecast. Not so much today, but likely by Wednesday afternoon through the end of the week. That's when that patch of smoke starts to work back in here as those south winds kick up. So watch out for some haze by the middle of the week here. The smoke will be pretty thin, not nearly as thick as what we got a couple weeks ago, but we'll still see some fires burning in Oregon too. There may be some local spots here in the valley that do see a decrease in air quality, but we do expect some haze even in Portland as we head into the middle of the week and beyond. There's your view of the Dalles again. A lovely start here. Our forecast today out towards the gorge in the upper 70s. Again in the valley, likely around the 80s today. Even the coast warming up, upper 70s by the afternoon. So quick look at your 7-day forecast. A lot of sunshine this week. We'll see temperatures hiking up into the mid to upper 80s. Staying dry, a little windy for today and some haze to watch out for by the end of the week. And to top it off, on Thursday is the start of October and it'll be a full moon. We'll see some good views, some clear skies as that full moon rises come Thursday. Carly, how are the roads?